you reach out and raise your hands in the air to rejoice and sing a song of love, sing a song of peace, sing a song of happiness. House was our light of day, and it shone on our souls. 3 o'clock in the morning, on and on and on and on and on. House was our release, house was our sanctuary, house was our prayer. Can you feel it like I feel it? Is there something feeling good in your soul? In the beginning there was truth, and then that truth there lived the sound, and it picked you up off the ground, and the beating of the drum, the bottom of the bass, the pounding of the snare.
Off the fucking stuff.